We are at 901 East Bloomingdale Ave, Brandon, Florida 33511. This is roughly about a week to 2 weeks after we've had installed the new fittings that was causing the repeatedly stoppages. This is the recent one that we did, the last one that we did. Right here is the start of where we tied into the existing line. As you can see, you come on back here, this is all the new piping that we had put in, and the fittings. As you can see, there is nothing here that is holding or could potentially hold toilet paper from going out of the building on our end. This is where we had stopped at right here with tying into the existing sewer line. To the right there catches a bunch of hand sinks. To the left right here is where it comes from, the bathrooms in the back by the kitchen. I'm going to pull you all the way back out and show you exactly where we are cameraing from today. We will be going in and pulling the toilets and the hallway back by the kitchen. It's going to be the second bathroom on your right hand side. We're going to be pulling that one here in just a few. And then we'll be showing you that run that we replaced some of the fittings in that. Again, this is going out of the building, out to the back of the building by the back door at the 4-inch clean out by the 2-inch backflow.